she's your twin? Are you serious? I thought you're friends. दुबई में life तो है ही बहुत amazing. Craziest years of our life.
Like we've just partied,
We've
done nothing
partied.
else.
सुबह 7 बजे पार्टी करके ऑफिस जा रहे हैं. ऑफिस में कॉफी पिए जा रहे हैं.
There have been times we've left our phone in taxis, in metros, and we found it. And I was like, wow, Dubai is like
safe,
love.
man.
Once you come to Dubai, there's no going back.
There is no going back. Hi guys, welcome back to the Fat Kid Show, जहाँ हम करेंगे गपशप एकदम ही अनफिल्टर्ड. बचपन से मैं और मेरी सिस्टर साथ में ही है. वो मुझसे 7 साल छोटी है, बट मैं एज एन एक्सपैट दुबई में रहती हूँ और वो इंडिया में. तो मुझे आज आ रही थी मेरी सिस्टर की बहुत ज़्यादा याद. वो मुझे हमेशा से अनोइंग लगती थी, बट पता नहीं यार शादी होने के बाद, बड़े होने के बाद सिबलिंग की इतनी ज़्यादा याद आती है कि मैं बता ही नहीं सकती हूँ, स्पेशली जब आप इंडिया में नहीं रहते हो. तो आज मैंने सोचा कि मैं ऐसी ही एक ट्विन सिस्टर से बात करूं और उनकी लाइफ के बारे में जानूं, क्योंकि ट्विन होना तो हमेशा हमारी लाइफ में एक बार तो ख्याल आया होगा कि काश मैं ट्विन होती यार, या काश मैं ट्विन होता, हमेशा मेरा एक साथी और मेरा दोस्त मेरे साथ होता. तो बस उनकी लाइफ कैसी है, उनकी बिहेवियर कैसे है और वो किस तरीके से अपनी ज़िंदगी जीते हैं, हमने इसी के बारे में इस पॉडकास्ट में बात करी है. So please continue watching with Shagun and Shreya, and I will link all of their social media handles in the description box down below. Guys, आपने बचपन में ट्विन लाइफ ऑफ जैक एंड कोडी देखी है? आई एम श्योर काफ़ी सारे लोगों ने देखा होगा, और मुझे उनको देख के तो ऐसा लगता था कि काश मेरी ट्विन सिस्टर हो. बट यू नो, जब भी मैं मॉम से कहती थी कि आपने मुझे ट्विन क्यों नहीं बनाया, तो कहती थी तू एक ही नहीं संभाली जाती तो दूसरी कहाँ से आएगी. बट मेरे एक दोस्त है श्रेया और शगुन, इतने ज़्यादा सिमिलर है कि मुझे समझ ही नहीं आता आज तक कि श्रेया कौन है और शगुन कौन है. हाय श्रेया, हाय शगुन, वेलकम टू द फैट किड शो, जहाँ हम करेंगे बहुत सारे गपशप अनफिल्टर्ड.
Hi Reshma, we are super excited for this.
पहली
Yes.
बात तो है, तुम दोनों इतने सिमिलर हो ना, मेरे को सच में नहीं समझ में आता कि श्रेया कौन है, शगुन कौन है.
You're not the first one to say this.
And उसके लिए you'll have to spend a little bit time with us. तभी समझ में आएगा.
Like we have a part of family, my mother's part of family, side of family, वो अभी तक नहीं पहचान पाए हैं who's who.
Not
It's
even
been like
mothers,
30
even
years.
fathers.
And we have given up. We're like, it's okay, you call us whatever. Shagun और श्रेया हम दोनों ही मुड़ जाते हैं.
Yeah, so that's like if you call Shagun or Shreya, दोनों ही पीछे
Who
मुड़ते
is Shagun and who is Shreya?
You tell us.
Guess.
Oh, very difficult, guys. I cannot.
Okay, she's Shreya and I am Shagun.
Yeah, I think so. Audience would be able to tell. Some people would be, some people
No,
wouldn't be.
there have been a few people recently who've told us, oh my god, तुम तो twins ही नहीं लगते हो. Are you twins? Remember
Oh my
that guy?
Which guy?
We went to a Diwali party
Yeah,
recently.
we recently went to a party. He's like, she's your twin? Are you serious? I
think
thought
उसे
you're
मेरे-
friends.
I think उसे मेरे चश्मे की जरूरत है. अच्छा, let's start with Shreya. I want
Okay.
to know what you do right now and how is life going on.
So life is going pretty good. I've been in Dubai for the last 8 years, 8.5, 9 years.
I or
us. We both together.
Everything is us here. There is no I.
हम हर चीज़ साथ में करते हैं. In fact, we have, yeah, we'll tell you later what have we done together. तो हाँ, तो I've been here for the past 8 years. I'm currently in digital marketing field. तो my actually office life is pretty good, pretty chilled out. It's a hybrid working model. And Dubai में life तो है ही बहुत amazing.
and we kind of work together. me
Yeah,
और
we
Shreya.
kind of, yeah, that's how. So we
Yeah.
like talk on the phone every day. So
Yeah.
we are pretty good friends.
Yes,
So
for
life is going good with you, talking to you every day.
What about you, Shagun? What do you do? Like, this is the first time actually we are meeting together.
Correct. I'm meeting you for the first time.
But
and
I've
it's
heard a
been-
lot. All
I'm
your
sure.
stories.
So I work here with KFC. I do marketing for them. I've been in F&B for the last 3 or 4 years now. So it's fun. It's nice. A little hectic because I don't have work from home. I have to go to work every day, but it's fun.
You're in
Eventually-
digital or full marketing?
No, I'm into proper marketing.
Brand
like
marketing.
Brand
Brand
marketing. Yeah.
marketing.
You can-
Like I
as you
think
also.
even you are in brand marketing.
Yes, kind of
हाँ,
brand
kind of.
marketing.
सब
yeah.
कुछ ही हो जाता है फिर एक
Yeah,
बार
सारा
ही.
कुछ कर लेते
Yeah.
हैं. जो भी दे दो अंदर. I think
That's what
more-
marketing is.
Yeah, and that is also Indian mentality. We never say no to work.
Yeah.
That's wrong,
Hard
though, we
working
should.
people.
Yeah,
Indians
Oh, we
are.
should.
for sure.
But yeah, staying in Dubai, life is fun. We just had a long vacation, which I'm already dreading to go to work
एक
now.
हफ्ते की छुट्टी and कल से office.
9 days.
I know. I don't
9
want
days.
it
For
to
the
get
first time.
over.
Yeah.
It was the longest, I feel.
Yeah.
What did you guys do?
Actually, we just did a lot of daycations. We went to this really pretty place, Banan Beach.
Oh.
It was like a full Greece
Russell
vibe.
Khaimah, right?
Yeah, Russell Cave.
And it's for the first time that we were here. We did not do a staycay or something. We were just chilling, sleeping. So it was fun.
Relaxing.
Yeah. You guys got married like recently, na? 1 saal pehle.
Now
Yeah.
it's been almost
1.5 years. So yes, guys, we got married also together. And सब हमसे पूछते हैं, how is that possible?
Which day?
So I'll tell you.
Which day?
10th December. What should I keep getting? So I've had a lot
My
of.
anniversary is on 10 December.
Yeah, we have discussed this. We have discussed
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So we are what, wedding
Anniversary
twins?
twins. Wedding
At least
twins.
I have some twins. With you guys. Yeah.
But so when we were about to get married, most of the people had a concern because Shreya was supposed to shift to Canada.
Correct.
That how are you guys going to stay separately? तुम बचपन से साथ में हो अलग कैसे रहोगे? People used to literally be in tears that we can't imagine तुम लोग अलग रहोगे. And now we are just staying together after the
Yeah.
But
shadi.
then did you imagine, like, you know, what happens is, like, मेरी sister और मेरे बीच में ना 7 years का difference है. She is younger to me.
7 years. So you're like almost a mom. I'm sure.
No, that's more
वो
than
ही हो
10, I
जाते
guess.
हैं.
Like a mom.
7 is
but you know,
still-
she's been the mature one than me. So
Really?
let's not talk about
ऐसा भी होता है.
The younger ones are much more mature.
No.
usually.
For us, our elder sister is mature to the
But
level
no,
100.
we were also more stable than her, I would say.
Yeah, she was a
Yeah.
little
like her childhood
crack.
was like crazy. Ours has been normal.
No, so basically what happened is कि दोनों सिस्टर में से किसी एक की पहले शादी हो गई when the age difference is not much and in your case like the same age. तो did you ever have the fear कि अगर एक की शादी हो गई मैं अकेली रह गई कुछ टाइम तक not necessary आपकी एक ही दिन में शादी हो that's lot of possibilities
Yeah.
and lot of times. तो कभी ऐसे लगा था कि how will you deal with loneliness at that time because you have been together schooling साथ में की है ना शायद से.
Yeah,
Actually, it happened with me for the time Shagun was dating and I was not. I was like on and off in relationships. So I was not only. So there used to be some times when I used to feel कि okay, I'm not dating. A little loneliness used to come. But शादी में नहीं because we always knew.
बचपन से it was
Yeah,
decided, like a
that
father
we will get
really
married.
wanted कि twin wedding होगी. So अगर एक के लिए लड़का मिल भी जाता जैसे
तो
श्रेया
other-
के लिए पहले शादी was decided with Puneet. So जब तक I mean मिल भी जाता वो शादी नहीं होती जब तक दूसरी के लिए नहीं सेट होता सब
Wow,
कुछ.
that's determination.
Yeah, so we always knew that कि लड़कों को वेट करना ही पड़ेगा चाहे किसी एक को भी मिल जाए और एक को नहीं मिले.
Oh.
So
मतलब
yeah.
तुम थे कि हाँ भाई करेंगे.
Yeah.
I mean unless obviously कुछ ज़्यादा ही worse situation हो जाए या कुछ हो जाए. Like our first function happened separately, so that was that I was like a little overwhelmed कि oh Shreya is getting engaged and what's happening with me. So just to let you know, I've had like an inter-religion marriage. My husband is a Muslim, so we had obviously a lot of other drama on the side as well.
Yeah, for
so
sure.
yeah,
And mine was a Hindu wedding, so
Yeah.
everything was going smoothly. So there were ups and downs, and everybody was like कि चारों शादी कैसे करेंगे वो भी inter religion. So that was the question.
Tough, man. That
It
was
was.
really tough.
I mean, my phase was tough unless, so basically my husband's parents weren't agreeing till a point of
course,
time.
for sure.
My family agreed. थोड़ा मेरे को भी बहुत lectures सुनने को मिलते थे and unfortunately.
But like our parents were always like very supportive of us. My mom was like always तुम जहाँ पे तुम खुश हो. For that matter, even if we told her we are lesbians, she would be
I
like
asked
it's
her this
okay.
question.
बहू ले आओ.
No, I asked her this question. Okay, now I'm telling you to get married to a Muslim. What if I was a lesbian? Be happy. She's like उससे भी करा देती. अब तुम
क्या
खुश
होता?
होते तो फिर क्या ही बोलती. Yeah.
Fair enough, fair enough. How was your childhood growing up? Like I've seen few of your reels. तुम कहीं पे I saw one reel which said that you belong to a really rich family back in the town.
Yeah, man.
And then suddenly something happened.
Yeah,
How
yeah.
was that phase? And how old were you, Tabi?
So like we were born in Farokhabad. It's a place
We
in
were born in
UP.
Delhi, but we were
yeah,
raised in
raised in
Farokhabad.
Farokhabad.
Yeah.
So our family, उनके पास they had like 7 cinemas and हमारी जैसे बड़ा सा कोठी थी. लोग हमारे घर के पास बस हमारा घर देखने के लिए खड़े रहते थे.
Wow,
We were
guys.
that rich. But we like around 3rd standard we were super
We were
rich.
very young. We went to hostel, but it's my elder sister who's seen that life more.
How
Like
old
घर
is
पे
she? I mean, like how?
she's
how
4 years. We're 4
Elder
years
to
apart.
us.
Yeah, she's 4 years elder to us. So it was her who's seen the rich life more than us. But then we do remember bits and pieces. But then all of a sudden there was a downfall, and then most of our family moved to Delhi, Noida. And then everyone started from scratch. My dad started off with 4,000 rupees की salary.
सारे डैड्स की पेट में जो स्टोरी होती है कि मैंने तो इतने से स्टार्ट किया एंड तुम्हें ऐसे किया तो दैट वाज आवर सिनेरियो बट हाँ व्हेन वी केम हम लोग बहुत
तुम लोग
यंग
बहुत
थे
ही young
तो
थे,
हमें इतना
exactly.
फर्क नहीं पड़ा
हाँ,
We
समझ
were
But then
fine.
we hear the stories from मम्मा बोरी भर के पैसे आते थे like हमारे साथ क्यों नहीं होता ये हमारे टाइम पे क्यों ऐसे
हमें
होना
भी
था?
चाहिए थोड़ा.
yeah exactly तो life was good
And
But
how
life
the life has been in Delhi?
Like,
Like, you know, I am from Bombay and I know मेरी हिंदी
But you know, you give a lot of Delhi vibe to me.
कुछ भी-
Always.
my
I
language-
always tell you
every
that.
दिल्ली person
हाँ.
जिसके सामने मैं हिंदी
Yeah.
बात करूँ बोलती तेरी इतनी इतनी हिंदी घटिया है.
नहीं,
No, that's
yours
my
is
husband
still be
also, by
better.
the way. So many gender issues.
I'm
I'm
like
like,
तेरे को मेरे को type like full टपोरी.
at least
हाँ.
तेरे को my husband like तू ऐसे बोली, तू ऐसे करी.
नहीं, ये
I'm
नहीं
like, what is that? Like, what is बोली and
So
करी?
मैंने realize किया है दुबई and दिल्ली में दुबई के बच्चे are very, they are like very in a secured
But
environment.
it depends. Like Manish, I mean, okay,
No,
I'm
no,
taking
no.
friends'
Still,
names.
I feel because he's been in India, schooling in India.
But no,
But
it really
Dubai के
depends.
बच्चे are in a very secured, safe environment. दिल्ली के बच्चे are very exposed. They are ready for every drama in their
India
life.
That's
के
India,
बच्चे
not
India,
Delhi.
India,
Yeah.
India
exactly.
के बच्चे are more street smart मेरे को लगता है.
I
Yeah,
agree.
yeah,
You know,
definitely.
We find solutions.
We find solutions and we don't panic. We're
And
like,
we are
"हाँ,
ready
okay."
for अगर कुछ unsafe भी हमारे आसपास कुछ होने भी वाला है, we are ready to face it.
हाँ हाँ.
That
अगर कुछ
true.
बुरा होता है ना जैसे चोरी चकारी हो गई मेरे को तो शॉकिंग ही नहीं लगता. India
जैसे
में
पर
तो-
यहाँ पे यार
इंडिया में तो कुछ भी चोरी हो
वी
जाएगा.
वर द किड्स स्पेशली मी जो सब कुछ इधर छोड़ दो भूल जाओ फोन
हाँ.
सो देयर हैव बीन टाइम्स वी लेफ्ट आवर फोन इन टैक्सीज इन मेट्रोज एंड वी फाउंड इट एंड आई वाज लाइक वाओ दुबई इज लाइक
Safe,
लव
man.
So
It's
Dubai
safe.
is good
I
for people
remember
like us.
going to the outlet mall like long back when I was in my college days and मैंने ना shopping के bag रख दी. I've been
That
careless all my
happens.
life, okay? And like 10 minutes later I realized कि bag किधर है? And then I go and like अभी भी है यार.
है रहता है देयर हैव बीन
And
वीडियोस
leave सामान यार. I think कि दिल्ली में तुम रात को छोटे कपड़े पहन के you just cannot go out. यहाँ पे even if रात के 4 बज रहा है, I can take a cab, go alone.
But you
Nobody
know,
will
the thing
bother.
is, of course, Mumbai Delhi के fight हमेशा होते हैं. We know
बट
that.
बॉम्बे सेफ
But Bombay,
Bombay
is
is
safe.
safe.
Apart from that, you know, I feel that Bombay is not very judgmental. Even
Yeah,
if I
yeah,
wear pajama and go
Delhi
out, people
is.
will not judge.
दिल्ली इज वेरी
Yeah,
जजमेंट
now I think Delhi is changing. अब ना दिल्ली में ये हो गया है कि there's a crowd. There's a crowd who will judge you and there are people who will not bother.
South Delhi crowd.
Yeah, probably. You can
No,
say
but
that.
South Delhi people like our cousins, they are from South Delhi and they're
They
so
वो खुद
polished.
पजामे में रहते हैं
They're like
यार.
zen mode होता है ना, they're literally that.
I think West Delhi. Sorry, West Delhi people, but वो लोग ऐसे
So I'll
होते
tell
हैं.
you, like our teenage has been mostly like नोएडा में शॉर्ट्स पहनो, लड़के ईव टीज कर रहे हैं, वो गाली दे रहे हैं, तुम भी गाली दे दो. Like
मतलब
no
for
doubt.
us हमारे लिए बहुत ही नॉर्मल था. हम ट्यूशन के लिए निकल रहे हैं, 2-3 गाड़ियाँ तो फॉलो करेंगी यार. करने दो फॉलो.
यार, I remember in my content creation days ना मैं एक ही बार दिल्ली गई हूँ तो टाटा ने मुझे कार लॉन्च के लिए बुलाया था और तभी ना मैं ड्राइव कर रही थी. आई रियली लाइक कार्स एंड आई रियली लाइक ड्राइविंग. आई वाज ड्राइविंग एंड दैट नोएडा प्लेस देयर वर गाइज हु वर फॉलोइंग अस.
Yeah,
That's
yeah, that's
normal.
pretty
एंड
normal.
आई वाज सो शॉक्ड. मतलब ये क्या हो रहा है भाई, वो 10
Yeah.
मिनट से फॉलो करे जा रहा है.
But
यार,
that's
नोएडा
normal.
में हमारे लिए इट्स नॉर्मल. जब तक घर नहीं पहुंचेंगे 3-4 गाड़ियाँ तो फॉलो करेंगी ही करेंगी.
But then now, that was very normal that time. But up when I go to Noida, I don't feel like wearing shorts and roaming around ऐसे. I feel like no, you can't. Like
Because we
Dubai
have
में
been
तो
so
safe.
used to Dubai now
Yeah.
कि अब हमें लगता है कि डर लगता है
यू नो दरवाजे को की भी हम लगा के नहीं जाते. कई बार आई कीप इट ओपन.
Never.
My door,
ever.
our door is always open. Our key is always mat के नीचे.
हाँ, same.
All
Tell it
the
to
time.
everyone.
Sorry guys, don't. We won't tell our address.
yeah.
Still, किसी को पता चल
sure,
जाए.
but this thing ना मतलब कभी मॉल में जा रहे हो तो आप फोन रख दे रहे हो.
Yeah, so Dubai is very मतलब I feel obviously if you go to interiors of Sharjah या फिर
Probably.
अजमान होता होगा कुछ ना कुछ. But जहाँ पे हम रहते हैं we have not
हाँ, we have
experienced
not
it.
experienced
So
that.
we cannot
Where
tell.
do you stay, by the way? Which area?
दुबई.
Dubai.
अब
Okay.
मैंने एड्रेस बता दूंगी तो
No, which area? Address me.
पता चल जाएगा. I stay towards Marina.
Okay, great.
So like in school, were you in the same class?
So we were together until 8th.
Eighth, yeah. 9th में sections change.
तो सेक्शन चेंज हो गया एंड टीचर्स ने कहा बहुत हो गए, ये दोनों हमेशा साथ में रहते हैं. नाउ वी नीड टू चेंज देयर सेक्शंस एंड आई वेंट इनटू अ मोर चिल्ड आउट सेक्शन एंड शगुन वेंट इनटू अ वेरी साइंस वाला
Serious
सेक्शन जहाँ पे सारे नर्ड्स और गीक्स थे. And Shagun was crying when she came to know that she's in the ganda wala section.
But then later
But
on,
yeah.
I made such good
Yeah.
friends in that section that they're still like my best friends, and we had so much fun. So, but it was a good change actually. It was required. Like we both, हमारा थोड़ा class change हुआ. It was a must.
But you know the thing is what happens is अगर आप दोनों एक ही क्लास में हो So you are so dependent on the other person that you don't make friends and grow. Is
No,
that
no.
true?
For
We used
us,
to
it
have a lot
was
of
never like
friends.
that. We always use. We are like very extroverts. तो हम जहाँ जाते हैं friends तो हम
But
बना
ऐसे
ही लेते थे.
insecurity नहीं आए ना कि श्रेया का friend बन गया शगुन
ए,
का friend
हमारा
बन
होता है
गया,
कि मेरा friend है तो शगुन को
मतलब
automatically
ऐसा हो
है.
सकता है कि श्रेया का थोड़ा ज्यादा अच्छा हो, बट उसमें कोई ऐसा
मतलब कि we know कि अगर अभी भी कोई मेरा friend है तो शगुन को automatically है. If you are my friend, you're automatically शगुन's friend.
yeah, unless I've met you.
Yeah. So it's a given.
Have you ever, this is a very typical question, तुमको हमेशा पूछते होंगे, क्लास कभी चेंज किया एक दूसरे?
We couldn't do, यार जैसे मुझे लोग बोलते हैं तुम एक दूसरे के ऑफिस चले जाओ, उसी दिन कोई बोल
मैंने
रहा
ही बोला था.
बहुत लोग बोलते हैं तो आई वाज लाइक दैट्स नॉट पॉसिबल.
Yeah.
शगुन मेरे ऑफिस जाएगी, शी वुडंट नो वेयर टू सिट, शी वुडंट नो कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम का है, शी वुडंट नो हु टू टॉक टू, शी वुडंट
Yeah,
नो
and people
वर्क
would ask you
आल्सो.
some questions culture related, and you're like, I don't
yeah.
know. I
बट
don't
या
know.
वी कैन डू वन डे, वी आर प्लानिंग वी कैन डू दिस कि हम बस जाके बैठ जाए स्टार्टिंग के 10
So
मिनट.
you can do that in my office because you have work from home. I have to go to work.
Yeah,
every
I'll
day.
join work
Maybe
late,
we
Reshma.
can vlog that.
I'll take छुट्टी one day and do this.
Yeah, but no, we should do, but we've not done it. We've been boring that ways.
How were you in studies? Like same या different?
Almost the same.
Average. Like, no, I remember this incident. So when my section changed, just because everyone was so padaku and I used to score the least marks, and मैं 9 पे थोड़ा fail होना
हम
शुरू हो
मतलब
गया.
बैक बेंचर्स ही थे हमेशा से बच्चों.
So फिर my class teacher called me. She said, "Would you like it? Shreya will pass and you will fail." I said,
मेरे
"No."
शगुन से थोड़े से ज्यादा मार्क्स आ जाते
And
ऐसा
then-
comparison teacher नहीं कर दिया.
हाँ.
But she was right. She was just trying to motivate me कि पढ़ and pass हो जा. And she told me like ऐसे mid terms में. And then I started studying and then मेरे अच्छे marks आना शुरू हो गए Shreya से. So my mom always used to tell me that your willpower is so strong.
क्योंकि शगुन मुझसे डबल
Yeah.
पढ़ती थी और मैं अपने पेस पे जितना पढ़ती थी
Yeah,
उतना ही पढ़ती
whatever.
थी.
Then how did you select that marketing में जाना? I remember you telling that you were in cabin crew.
Yeah, so basically after 12 we went to Delhi University. Delhi University के सपने बहुत होते हैं. जैसे ही हम Delhi University गए, we were like such a
गए?
boring place.
Yeah, I mean the crowd was very blah. Everything there was nothing to study.
And we
there was
have a
nothing to look forward
cousin
to.
and she was a cabin crew. तो वो जब भी आती थी घर, मैं यहाँ गई, मैंने यहाँ से
मिलान
शॉपिंग
गई,
करी,
पेरिस गई,
and मेरा
ये
शगुन
गई.
के आंखों में हार्ट्स बन जाते थे.
Wow.
No, actually, our elder sister also tried to become a cabin crew. She tried for a couple of months, but then
But
she would
उसको
puke
बहुत-
on the
हाँ,
passenger only.
उसको
yeah.
फोबिया होता था, ये होता था, वो होता था, तो she couldn't do it. Then हमने इंटरव्यू दिया, we cracked it.
But after a couple of shots, we cracked it. Like after 4 or 5 times.
Correct.
And then life was different. Like we started getting our own money. जैसे हम पहले 1000 रुपए की पॉकेट मनी के लिए मम्मी के सामने खड़े रहते थे. All of that stopped.
And we became so independent. पहले like we were like always those kids जो हर चीज मम्मा मम्मा. We were very dependent.
पापा को अलाउ नहीं
हाँ.
करते थे कहीं जाने के लिए अकेले. मतलब करते थे, not like strict, but trips पे नहीं जाना. इस पे नहीं. Suddenly we were traveling all over India.
So we had a lot of, we had our own money. We were traveling, shopping. Then international भी start हो गया.
And
We
I
enjoyed
remember
it.
because our lives had become a little different that time, so we would be on phone all the time. Like निकलते रहे, आप कहाँ पहुँचे, ये क्या
मतलब
हुआ?
मम्मी को नहीं पता होता था कि किसकी फ्लाइट कब है. She used to ask us, शगुन की फ्लाइट कितने बजे लैंड हो रही है. मैं बोलती थी ये रही. Then we used to come back home.
Yeah.
डाइनिंग टेबल पे बैठते थे. तो मैं
And
और
we
शगुन
speak really fast. We like
Yeah. तो मैं और शगुन अपनी बातें कर रहे हैं. And मेरे घर वाले बोल रहे हैं दोनों क्या बातें करते हैं भाई. 24 घंटे they just keep talking about what.
Yeah. Do you have your own twin language? Like, you know, usually siblings में होता है कि code language हो गया या ऐसा.
नहीं,
we
वैसा
just
तो
talk
कुछ
very
नहीं है.
fast and it's only us who understand what are we talking.
वही हो गया. Then that's
Yeah,
a
it's not a code language, but yeah, we do have our things. Like if we're playing Taboo, we have our references to give. Oh, ये याद है, वो याद है. So that's
of
the
course,
thing.
that
हाँ,
you'll
तो
always
that's
do.
so yeah. Then we became cabin crews 2.5 years. But the only thing जो हमको अच्छी नहीं लगती थी सुबह उठना.
Yeah.
Cause सुबह 4 बजे उठना है, 3 बजे उठना है, and we used to feel so pukish in the morning. So we were like, we cannot continue this all our life. We need to leave it at some point of time. So after I think 2.5 years, we decided one day कि we have resigned. मेरे घर वाले बोल रहे तुम पागल हो, पहले तुम कॉलेज कर रहे हो, तुमने वो छोड़ दिया. अब तुम जॉब कर रहे हो, तुमने वो छोड़ दिया.
So we were claimed as quitters, and then Dubai आया. We were like India में कुछ पढ़ाई
But why
करते
did you
हैं.
quit? Wasn't that?
या वी वर लाइक पूरी जिंदगी नहीं कर सकते. सुबह
मतलब
जल्दी
घूम लिया
उठो.
मैंने.
Yeah,
तुम्हें
2.5
कभी-
साल we did it, and then we were like, we're done. We can't do it anymore. So then we were like, अब क्या करें ना? So I basically always wanted to get into like Bollywood or maybe movies or something, but my dad never allowed. We even got a couple of auditions, we cracked them, but Papa was like, नहीं नहीं.
हाँ,
So
ये
I
Remember that
industry-
Kapil Sharma में वो twin
Yeah.
सब हमें बोलते थे वो ट्विंस,
चिंकी
तुम भी
मिंकी
जाओ, तुम भी जाओ.
चिंकी मिंकी.
चिंकी में
Yeah.
वो तो गायब हो गए वैसे but
But they're active on
Instagram
Instagram.
पे तो एक्टिव. या
So then mom was like, she really wanted us to step out of India. So then because our cousins were here, they पापा ने कहा चलो दुबई allowed है. So then we thought कि यहाँ पे क्या पढ़े, we sort of marketing, and that's how we came here. And initially we cried a lot.
Yeah, we came to Dubai and जैसे दिल्ली में everything is so open.
No, we were living in Sharjah.
हाँ,
firstly.
एक तो हमने कजन के साथ शारजा में रह रहे थे, तो we were
Different life in
हाँ
Sharjah.
different, and एकदम से I think like Delhi is very open. यहाँ पे we came, we made a lot of friends though, but हमें ना यहाँ की environment ऐसी लग रही थी बहुत बंद मन initially like 1 month.
बिकॉज एक्चुअली यहाँ आने के बाद है ना आपको अपना कंफर्ट जोन ढूंढने के लिए काफी टाइम लगता है.
Exactly.
Comfort zone,
इट्स
staying.
वेरी डिफरेंट ना, आप एक अलग ही दुनिया में आ गए.
एंड वो ही तो वी वर लाइक मम्मी हमें वापस आना है. मम्मा इज लाइक कि थोड़ा टाइम रहो, देखो क्या होता है, गिव इट सम टाइम. देन सडनली वी स्टार्टेड एंजॉयिंग आवर
Because we shifted. We got first got a job, then Shreya got a job, and we started staying on our own. That's when we started enjoying. जब हम अपना रहना शुरू हुए, we made a lot of friends. That's when we
and
started
like
loving
first 2-3 years in Dubai I think were craziest years of our
it.
life.
Like we've just partied,
We've
done nothing
partied.
else.
सुबह 7 बजे पार्टी करके ऑफिस जा रहे हैं, ऑफिस में कॉफी पिए जा रहे हैं.
आफ्टर 30s दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल.
This is I'm talking about 22, 23.
We celebrated our 22nd birthday here.
30 ना.
Yeah, we just turned 30 last year.
Yeah.
How was life in 30?
White hair, grey hair.
And back ache all the
back
time. My back hurts like.
How old are you?
I'm 32.
All same.
Fine.
Yeah.
Almost similar.
So yes, then we thought कि हम दुबई भी 2-3 साल रह के we'll go back. But I think once you come to Dubai, there's no going back.
There's no going back.
Yeah.
This everyone says 5 साल में काम करूंगी.
How long have you been here for?
In 2009 my dad moved here. Ever since then I've had my residential visa. So
Wow.
because of my college I used to come like 3 times 4 times a year. But then उसके बाद में permanent shifting 2017 में हुई हूँ.
So
But
not very
you
long,
were in
5
Bombay
years.
only, no? All the
Bombay,
time.
Bombay, heart and soul.
तो दुबई तो बॉम्बे ही है basically. I
हाँ,
feel.
Restaurant
Bombay. I didn't
same
feel
है.
anything.
Because
And
Dubai is
also I'm not
actually
somebody who really parties. Okay, for me it's more of like घर पे Netflix and chill.
Now that is with us. Like when we had just come, we were so enthused, we were young.
Yeah, true. You wanted to see everything,
Yeah,
na, because
now
we
we
Now
are
rather I would prefer saving up and going on a vacation than spending here or partying here. Like
because Dubai
For
बहुत
sure.
छोटा भी है ना.
हो गया ना अब सब देख
सब
के
कर
इतने
लिया.
साल से.
कितना
Exactly.
देखो, कितना खा लो बाहर,
Yeah.
क्या करो.
True.
yeah.
Guys, ever ऐसा हुआ है कि you know if someone is really busy, the other one gets like so jittery कि ये कहाँ चली गई, husband के साथ date पे चली गई, I want to go.
ऐसा तो
and, you
होता
know,
है.
हाँ.
Like there is a kind of a thing. वो अगर एक डेट पे जा रहे दूसरा भी चले ही जाते हैं. Otherwise because we four stay together, so we're chilling together most of the time. But अगर एक कहीं जा रहे हैं तो चलो दूसरा भी चला ही जाए.
One question I always had is how do twins maintain their individuality? Because usually पता है you guys are same, like you're one. Your DNA matches. Only your fingerprints are. You can literally get away with crime.
No, fingerprints are
Except
different.
fingerprint and head.
Yeah.
अगर
So
लोग
yeah,
get-
like I'll tell you something. तो if we never need a passport size photo.
हाँ.
मेरी
Yeah,
खत्म
my
हो गई.
visa है, Shreya.
मेरी खत्म हो गई. मैं शगुन से पूछूंगी एक्स्ट्रा है दे दो. शगुन बोलेगी एक्स्ट्रा है. And we talk to each other आप करके by the way.
Oh, really?
By the way, people
Who is
really
the elder one?
me 1 minute.
Oh, okay.
But हम बचपन से आदत हो गई है आप
But because
करके.
वो ही दिल्ली लखनऊ यूपी वाला
नहीं
side
पता
आ
नहीं
गया
बस
ना.
Probably
nobody.
yeah. Like all our dads की side everyone talks up.
बट जब हम लड़ते हैं देन तू
Yeah, Bombay is तो
गाली
like-
गलौज सब पे आ जाते हैं.
Yeah, तब तो सब गया.
So like how do you maintain individuality? दोनों में कुछ तो होगा ना कि this is Shreya, this is Shagun.
शगुन को बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा
Yeah,
आता
I'm
है.
more short tempered probably.
I'm the
But
sweeter
that
one.
is actually a question. I mean sometimes
Yeah,
it
even we
gets
feel.
lost. I would say it happens. ऐसा नहीं होता.
Like
Like
some-
sometimes you feel why are you twins? You don't want to be a twin. That feeling comes.
You do get?
Yeah,
a lot,
a
of,
lot of
times.
times.
And in fact sometimes ऐसा लगता है कि suppose if you're my friend, okay, or you just know me, and Shagun has done something wrong or I have done something wrong, so you'll make a perception about both of us कि ये दोनों ही ऐसे ही
But
हैं.
then that happens with anyone, no?
Yeah, that's in
That's
a
more of
couple. Like
family
probably
culture.
people will make about
No.
you.
People start questioning your upbringing, and that also gets into like sisters. Like even if my sister is young,
Yeah.
तो वो बहन
Yeah,
का
And
क्या
even with your
Probably.
spouse probably. कोई एक करेगा तो सोचेगा वो spouse भी ऐसा ही है.
yeah,
So
true.
that happens.
Probably, but we have the same set of friends, तो हमारे साथ ज़्यादा होता है. Like if Shagun has fought with someone, तो automatically that person is my
relationship,
enemy
yeah.
also.
Probably.
हाँ,
Or
but-
otherwise we try to sort it out कि चलो
हाँ.
छोड़ो, let's leave it. But yeah, mostly it's the same side. Mostly because we think the same or we make each other think the same thing.
हाँ.
वो मैं ही सही हूँ या
Do
ये
you
ही
have
सही
that
है.
telepathy?
Yeah, we do. Like if suppose you've met Shreya, right? She'll ask you a couple of questions, and now I come like 10 minutes later. I'm gonna ask you the exact same question. Then you'll be like, Shreya ne mujhse bhi same questions
पूछ
पूछे.
लो एक दूसरे को
Yeah, so that happens with us
Yeah.
a lot of times. So there's of course a connection because we've grown
and
together.
You know the thing is, when you said ki you are like there are times that you don't think that you want to be a twin.
Yeah, a
but
lot
you
of
guys
times.
don't know life without being a twin as well.
Yeah, see,
like I cannot imagine me having a twin of mine. मतलब नहीं हो सकता. I cannot imagine. I don't know what that life is.
Yeah,
but you
same
जैसे
way,
कि
same
for
way.
us the pro is like what I feel जो लोगों को मुझे like if you are going somewhere you need music, you need something. We both never have
Like we would
had
walk
the
together,
habit. Yeah.
we'll talk and walk.
You always have a company.
We always
Yeah.
have each
because
other's
you're busy
company.
also at the same time. When there's an age difference, na, you're busy at
Correct.
different times. You are
And we
busy at
also
the
have
same
same
time and
habits. We like the same
Like जैसे
things
कि अगर हम कभी
mostly.
ऑफिस जा रहे हैं हम ऑफिस से दोनों सेम टाइम पे फ्री हो रहे हैं जब तक हम घर नहीं पहुंचेंगे we'll be on the phone.
We were bitching about
Yeah.
somebody, we are cribbing something, but we'll just be on the phone.
मतलब
कि बोर हो रहे हैं रास्ते
everything
में.
that we talk.
mostly she
Now
does.
it's become a little difficult because like when we were in Indigo, we knew people, the
हाँ,
same set of
same set
people.
of
Now
people.
unless you meet someone, it's difficult to like frame
But still
that.
we know names. मुझे
Yeah.
पता है आपके ऑफिस में कौन
Yeah,
कौन है.
even
You
sh-
know,
like, yeah.
she knows कि हमारे ऑफिस में कौन कौन है. थोड़ा बहुत तो पता ही है of course. If not,
Has there been any incident in the past जहाँ पे you got away because you were twin?
I think we've told this in our reel. Our first admission after hostel was like, oh, you're just twins. I want these pretty twins in my
like, we scored
school.
really low in
Yeah.
our hostel, and just because we were twins, principal was like, oh my god, they're so pretty. I want them in our school.
But there's actually no incident that we've gotten away with something, right? I don't remember anything.
जैसे इंडिगो की ट्रेनिंग remember you passed, I
Oh,
did
yeah.
not pass.
So Indigo's training was like really
हाँ
tough.
कैबिन क्रू ट्रेनिंग बाय द वे डॉक्टर की ट्रेनिंग है तो हमें फर्स्ट एड सिखाते हैं इमरजेंसी इवैक्यूएशन सिखाते हैं
For sure.
इट्स
And you
डिफिकल्ट
have to
यार
score-
उठ रहे हैं आप लोगों के साथ
मतलब रोना आता है
And you have to
उसकी
score like
training में.
90 and above, and the instructors are strict. So I passed and Shreya didn't. And I was begging the instructor, please.
तो उसको
make
बुरा
Shreya
लग गया बाय द एंड ऑफ इट
Yeah.
एक पास हो गई दूसरे को भी कर ही देता हूँ
Then I was like, "Sir,
Then this is
and
an incident.
everyone else was very happy because there was this lot who had passed. Now
And
this is
Shagun
another
was in
thing.
the past.
And Shreya was in the like almost failed lot. So everyone else was so happy, but I just couldn't be happy
मतलब
because
हमारे-
Shreya didn't pass.
Yeah.
So I was like, मैं खुशी नहीं होंगी जब तक श्रेया पास नहीं होगी. So I
हमारे
had to
साथ ये
be-
होता है कि
Yeah.
अगर किसी एक के साथ अच्छा भी हो गया और नहीं हुआ एक के साथ तो द अदर पर्सन कैन नॉट बी हैप्पी दोनों के साथ ही अच्छा होना चाहिए देन ओनली वी बोथ विल बी एबल टू सेलिब्रेट इट
Yeah.
Yeah, makes sense. Lot
yeah
of
that is there with us so yeah individuality is lost at that part I feel
Yeah. I also remember seeing your reel wherein you said that you were flying the same flight.
so
Yeah.
actually it's not allowed मतलब
Then how
I
did you
shouldn't
manage?
even
I mean, how did you get placed if it is not allowed?
okay हो गया कुछ we cannot
How
talk
did we? I
about-
don't remember. We
I
really begged
remember.
the roster guy.
no we cannot Shagun it's not allowed
I really don't
अगर ये
remember how did
बहुत
this- Nandini's friend.
नो I'll tell you
Okay.
later ठीक है
Fine.
एनीवेज तो अब हम एक फ्लाइट पे आ गए बट आई थॉट वो फ्लाइट फन होगी बट वो फ्लाइट ना इतनी
Annoying.
हिलेरियस थी एवरीबडी मैं पानी दे रही हूँ किसी को जाके अभी आपने पानी नहीं दिया पीछे आ गए सब आप दोनों ट्विन्स हो एक पिक्चर एक ये अभी कोई
Literally, like we were
सेलेक्ट
feeling like हम celebs हैं. लोग हमारे
हाँ.
pictures खिंचवा रहे हैं. But it was fun, like
It was
going
nice.
together, coming
एंड यू नो
back.
दैट फ्लाइट हमको पता चला कि हमारा बिकॉज वी हैव नेवर फ्लोन टुगेदर बट हमको उस फ्लाइट में पता चला हमारा
Yeah,
वे
way
ऑफ
of
वर्किंग
working.
इज एब्सोल्युटली द सेम
No, whenever we used to come back and discuss also, we used to be like, oh, आपने भी ये किया, मैंने भी ये किया. Our way of working used to be like exactly the same.
What is the difference between you both then?
Nature थोड़ा बहुत, like look wise or what?
नहीं,
Overall.
anything. Nature, liking, look wise.
लाइक खाने पीने का इज अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस
How?
You don't have the same
Sometimes
taste
We
buds.
love the same food all
You
the
don't
time.
like golgappe. I love golgappe.
Yeah, like one or two things here and
Shagun
there.
loves मीठा. I don't
Yeah.
like मीठा. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है मैंने बचपन से लेकर अभी तक जितनी भी आइसक्रीम्स खाई है ना शगुन के पीयर
Yeah.
प्रेशर में
I
आके
love
खाई है.
ice cream.
Cause I don't like मीठा and शगुन को मेरे को आइसक्रीम खानी है. मैं उसको बोलूंगी मुझे एक बाइट दे देना. नहीं मेरे को अपनी आइसक्रीम खानी है.
I don't like sharing my food. I'm the Joey.
तो I don't like मीठा. तो yeah, Shagun loves मीठा. I like cheesy and savory food more.
Okay. If you have to cut your hair, then do you like ऐसे जाके बोलते हो same
हाँ.
bite?
Yeah, it has to be like जैसे
Same.
उसी बंदे से हम कराएंगे जिसने दूसरे
या
का
तो अभी हम
किया है.
शादी पे गए थे तो हमने अपने कपड़े स्टिच करवाए यहीं पे एक आंटी से सो शी डिड इट फॉर शगुन एंड आई तो उसने शगुन के लिए डिफरेंट वे में कर दिया और मेरे लिए डिफरेंट मैंने कहा आपको मेरा फिर से पूरा स्टिच करना पड़ेगा, आई डोंट केयर, हम दोनों को सेम
उसका ज्यादा छोटा ब्लाउज है, मेरा थोड़ा लंबा है, उसका मेरा भी इतना ही छोटा
आंटी
है।
को फिर से बोलती, दैट आंटी वाज रियली स्वीट, इट्स ओके बेटा मैं फिर से बना दूंगी पूरा, एंड वो
So
सोच रही
we
है
always had
साइको
that
लोग हैं
thing.
ये लोग। तो वी दैट वाज द होल आइडिया ऑफ द वेडिंग कि हमें सेम ही लगना है, इट्स अ ट्विन वेडिंग, मजा नहीं आएगा अगर मैं अलग कपड़ों में आऊंगी, शगुन अलग कपड़ों में आएगी।
That's why we decided to have the same color also.
पहले वी वर कॉन्टेम्पलेटिंग कलर अलग अलग रखे, वी वर लाइक मजा नहीं आएगा, लेट्स
Your
जस्ट डू।
husbands get confused amongst who is who?
नो नो नो।
No, not really. Like recently,
हाँ, रिसेंटली वी वर एट अ वेडिंग, तो
हाँ।
उन वेडिंग वालों ने हमको सेम कपड़े पहनने के लिए दिए थे फ्रॉम द ग्रूम
like
साइड।
the same color, everything was the
तो
same.
हम दोनों ने सेम ड्रेसअप किया होता। शगुन हस्बैंड सलमान, उसने चश्मा नहीं पहना होता, हिज आईसाइट इज अ लिटिल वीक, ही इज लाइक कॉलिंग मी शगुन चलो चलते हैं। मेरे को इतनी हंसी आती है, हाँ चलो चलते हैं,
चलो चलते हैं।
बट वैसे नहीं होते, कंफ्यूज।
Yeah, I think we hope and we believe that they can differentiate. Rest, I don't know.
As a twin, like, do you ever compete with each other that I want to be better than her?
Of course,
I
all
want-
the
That's what our whole life is
I
about.
said I really thought कि ना बोलोगे.
That is how our whole life is about.
But you know what? What was I telling Salman, like my husband,
Huh.
yesterday? So basically, we gave our driving test yesterday, and I did not even pass in one of those garage
Parking?
or whatever. Yeah.
Gosh.
And Shreya passed in garage and parallel. So I was upset कि मैं एक में भी pass
You
नहीं
both are really bad at driving.
अभी मेरी पार्किंग क्लास थी, उसमें आई फेल्ड, बट yeah, we are really bad at driving.
Yeah, we are.
We
So
agree.
Shreya managed to pass 2 at
Correct.
least. I didn't pass any, so I was upset I didn't pass any. So Salman like, why are you competing this that? I said we all went for bowling and boys were competing with each other. तो तुम compete कर रहे थे ना. Now imagine if you're doing the same thing together at the same time. एक वो competition वाला factor अपने आप आ जाता है.
हाँ.
So he's like हाँ game अलग है ये है, but that comes like if you're doing the same thing at the same time. आगे पीछे करो तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
When other
Yeah.
one can guide the other person.
Yeah, probably.
हाँ. Like the same siblings.
So yeah, we have been competing all our life and we're fed up of this. We want to change this
Yeah.
attitude. I don't know when will it change.
But then I think it is okay ना, as long as it is healthy competition, as long
No,
as
then it
doesn't
turns to a fight also ना. जब कभी ऐसे, yeah, we fight a lot. People
ऐसा
I think
हुआ है
it's
कि
getting
दोनों ने
better.
बात नहीं करी है काफी टाइम तक.
बहुत
बहुत.
2 दिन but max. Then we like चलो छोड़ो.
हाँ, but हाँ, we fight a lot. मतलब इतना
But I think
fight.
now it's getting better. Touch wood.
Of course, you're about 30. Life changes now.
It's not changing. We're trying to change.
But then amongst you, your sister never felt out of place.
She would have, I'm sure. But
Yeah.
she gave up. Probably because we were in hostel first and we used to ignore her. I remember. हम उसका जैसे झूठा नहीं खाते थे, हम एक दूसरे का झूठा खाते थे. So
my
we
यार
are
God,
झूठा
guys are
ईटिंग
evil.
प्रॉब्लम, हम किसी का
Yeah.
झूठा नहीं खाते हैं। मतलब हम एक दूसरे का भी तब खाएंगे जब कोई
कोई
ऑप्शन
option
नहीं
ना हो।
बचेगा।
हाँ,
Yeah.
fair enough.
So then she would have, but then when we came back from hostel, I think she had outgrown that stage. She was more into boys, boyfriend, this, that. तो उसके लिए हम बच्चे थे, तो तब उसको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता था. So most because she was in hostel for about 7 years.
Correct.
तो जब तक वो आई, she was like she didn't
But
care.
no,
anymore.
actually more than her. So she got married 10 years back. उनकी like child marriage हो गई थी. So it's like my जीजू, शगुन and I,
Yeah.
we three are a gang. हम तीनों बहुत same है. And we're like you are the बहू of the house.
Yeah.
So we anyways ignore her now also.
Yeah.
तो हम तीनों की nature is very same. We're very, my sister is a little, she's like a
Very
little
assertive.
uptight कि वो
हाँ.
लोगों को,
Very
she is
poised.
actually that person in Delhi जो लोगों को judge करेगी. वो क्या पहन के आई है, उसके जूते देख लो,
Yeah.
उसकी jewelry देख
And
लो.
she's very like go by the rules kind of a person.
अच्छा.
And we're very like chill यार छोड़ो ना क्या फर्क पड़ता है all of that.
Correct.
So she is very different.
How
from
did
us.
content creation come into the picture amongst you guys?
So because we always wanted to become popular and हमने देखा सब बन रहे influencers तो हम भी बन जाते हैं.
But we're still trying. Like because with work it gets difficult.
For sure.
Like when you have to go
really
to
gets
work
And
every
हमारी
day.
आधी videos तो इसलिए नहीं बनती because we end up fighting.
Yeah.
हमारी आधी videos
आधी वहीं पे रह जाती है.
Oh God. But I remember तुम्हारा एक वीडियो कहीं पे वायरल हुआ था ना?
हमारी हो चुकी है 5-6 वायरल, शादी का कंटेंट बहुत
हाँ,
वायरल हुआ
शादी का
था.
भी हुआ था.
Like, there were a few videos which were like more than 1 million, I remember. But फिर अब नहीं हो रही काफी टाइम से. So guys, please watch our videos.
Yeah, वायरल करो.
Has there been time कि दोनों physically कहीं पे present नहीं थे, but like you felt like a very strong emotional connection, or I have heard a lot of twins can feel each other's pain Is it the
No, no,
same
no.
with you
No,
guys?
no,
Do you
not-
fall sick at the same time?
No.
That's
Never.
because probably Shagun will fall sick, I'll fall sick after her.
That's
Because we are
infectious.
staying
हाँ, वो तो
together.
फिर वो तो
Contagious
वो
बट
होता है।
ऐसा
contagious
कुछ
है.
नहीं है, अगर शाम को कोई चाटा मारेगा मुझे दर्द नहीं है कि
Exactly.
मारो जितने चाटे मारने
Because you know, genuinely before this podcast, I was researching a lot about twins, and I don't know if they're making up. Yeah,
No,
what
I
is the
think it's to
difference?
do with fraternal and something
हाँ,
twins.
something,
The
something.
ones who are fraternal, उनके साथ ऐसा नहीं होता कोई थप्पड़ मारे दर्द होगा, but maybe some things are connected, but with us it's nothing like that.
We are different, but yeah, our thought process is the same, our nature is the same.
Yeah.
ये सब सेम है, but हाँ इसे दर्द वर्द नहीं होता बिल्कुल भी.
What is in pipeline with your content, and how do you plan to grow on your channel now?
So we want to, like, I don't know, we're really confused between. We still actually are trying to find our way in content creation.
Like,
कि-
is it fashion?
हाँ,
Should
कि
we do more
लोगों
of
को क्या
twins?
पसंद
Because
है.
we love clothes in general, personally. We love clothes to next
Correct,
level.
correct.
So do we concentrate on that, but then we see like every other person is doing that, or do we like get into our twin factor? But वो कितना twins के ऊपर बोलो? I mean, I know it's a thing, but maybe we are lost somewhere. We need a
हाँ,
direction.
I hope
still.
we will find our direction soon.
But the good part is we've still not left it completely.
हाँ, तो it's been like we started in COVID
Correct.
and we are continuing it. बीच में we procrastinate a little bit, but हम कर रहे
But
हैं.
I think consistency is something that
हाँ,
will
that-
really help grow.
But how
That's
are
what
you-
I feel. So
Even you have just opened up your
I
page.
did start.
How
It is
that
going fine, but I'm at the same stage of discovering content.
Hmm.
So I've always been a long form of content creator. Like you still tell me कि YouTube पे video बनाना है, I will have a lot of content to talk. But वो short में ना getting everything of 10 minutes into that 1 minute.
Crisp नहीं हो पाता
वो नहीं हो पा रहा. And editing has changed, softwares have changed. You know, people have every second person is a creator, of course.
I
But
agree.
lot of them are so creative.
And so good at it.
They have
So good at
talent.
it.
Like
हाँ.
I feel like मैं दिलजीत दोसांझ को देख रही थी. भाई वो एक्टर है, वो सिंगर है, वो डांसर है.
हाँ.
ऐसे भगवान ने सारे टैलेंट उसको ही दे दिए.
No, that's
हमारे पास तो
true.
कोई टैलेंट ही
And
नहीं
I,
है.
but तो ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई एक टैलेंट श्रेया में है तो दूसरा
कुछ
श्रवण.
है ही नहीं, दोनों में ही टैलेंट.
We don't dance very well. We don't sing like
Same,
it's pathetic. So it's, and
Yeah.
trust me, I mean, I see twins. Like even if you see Chinky Minky, वो लोग साथ बोलते तो हैं, हम वो भी साथ नहीं कर पाते.
हाँ,
To
हम coordinate
get into that sync only.
कभी
we're like,
नहीं होता ऐसे.
यार
ऐसे.
हम इतना हम ट्राई करते हैं, we'll say this together, बीच में कुछ, and we don't have the patience.
Yeah,
I think लोग
probably.
बहुत retakes करते होंगे, हमें
हाँ.
patience ही नहीं, like भाड़ में जाएगा.
और ना ही
बहुत हो
हमें
गया.
वो practice करने की वो है determination.
यार it's a task.
We don't
मतलब
do
कि
it.
हाँ,
Yeah,
it's
we
a-
like
it's a
किसी
task.
time जो बन रहा है एक second में बना के खत्म
Yeah,
कर
but
दो.
you know the thing is, I've realized कि when I'm scrolling through Instagram या ऐसे TikTok पे आप देख रहे हो ना, तो every second person is so talented.
Correct.
We have started to feel
Agree.
insecure.
Probably.
And you know, the more, I mean, of course, insecurity is one thing, but the more we scroll, the more demotivated we
Or
are.
conscious we get.
We
मतलब
get
I see
conscious.
random लड़कियाँ, उन्होंने बस ब्लॉग स्टार्ट कर दिए 80K 100K.
And Shreya, like we used to be always like हम बड़े 30 मार का हैं कपड़ों में, we wear the best clothes.
नहीं.
And now we see on Instagram like
हाँ,
people
everyone
dress
is a
up
We
fashion
started
blogger.
questioning ourselves, हमारी ड्रेसिंग सेंस अच्छी है भी अब. लोगों को देख लो.
But would you be okay कि अगर कभी कोई negatively viral meme बन गया and you get
100%
famous,
बनाओ.
you're okay?
Yeah,
we just
famous
wanna
कर
get
दो. It's
Yeah.
okay.
But then it wouldn't affect you. Like for me,
जब
it will
होएगा.
affect me.
Like
Like
we're
I'm
not very emotional, I feel in general.
you're more practical.
पता नहीं
मतलब
now
I
we
think
see.
हम हाँ मे बी हो, but हम चीज़ों को बहुत दिल पे नहीं लेते. I feel
Like you let go things. ना,
हाँ,
you don't
like
think
even
about
if
it.
in
and
office I'm having a bad day और किसी ने मुझे कुछ बोल दिया, I'll think about it for a minute, but जैसे ही ऑफिस खत्म होगा I'll be out of it. तो मतलब मेरे साथ ये होता है कि ज़्यादा दिल पे मत लो चीज़ें.
Great.
But what about you?
मैं ओवर थिंकर हूँ. 2 दिन तक सोचूंगी, फिर तीसरे दिन बोलूंगी
अब
let
क्या
it go.
होगा सोच के,
हाँ,
कितना
अब क्या
सोचो?
सोच के होगा कि let it go. Because the thing is, I never had somebody who is elder to me in my life as a sister or a brother who would guide me. And I think that makes a lot of difference. Like for example, मेरी sister learned a lot from me, even if it is developing a makeup skill or anything. She learned a lot.
Yesterday only I posted a story. Let me read it loud. 1 second. Yeah, you guys talk. Let me just come to the story.
But that happens. Like for us, our mother has also been a very big guiding factor. in
Yeah,
our
so
life. Like,
just
she's so
saw
sensitive.
someone that mentioned the fact that your older sister doesn't have an older sister of her own, and it broke my heart.
Yeah.
They literally are the heroes.
Yeah, really. मतलब है ना, it used to really break my heart. मतलब she used to look at me like दीदी 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 करती थी.
And you have no one
है
to
ना,
say
मेरे
दीदी
को वो
दीदी.
नहीं friendly vibe आता था until I grew up. Now we are best friends. But है ना, वो एक certain time तक मुझे वो annoying लगती थी.
I know that
मुझे
happens.
ऐसा लगता था कि
everyone. Like when our elder
हाँ.
sister was there, हम बचपन में we used to idolize her. जो उसका favorite
हाँ,
color है,
हमारा
हमारा भी
favorite
वही है.
color है.
हाँ.
Now
But we
it's the
also used
opposite.
to
She
complain
used to
about her.
idolize me so freaking much.
And it's annoying. I can understand.
हाँ, but now I feel that she had no one to look up to except me. मैं कुछ भी करूँ, she is like, मैं आज भी अगर कोई बकवास comment करेगा ना, she'll go and bash them in comment. Like she does that.
Yeah, she's in here in Dubai.
No, she's in India. She actually completed her MBBS. So she has an entrance exam to give right now. तो वो वहाँ पे, but maybe after exam she'll come here and practice or whatever. But still, with all of this, I feel that having a sister, brother, it changes everything.
Definitely.
नो
it
पता है, मैं
does.
उसी दिन सोच रही थी लाइक हमारे इतने सिबलिंग्स हैं. आई फील कि अगर कोई सिबलिंग नहीं होता तो हमारे पास कोई कंपैरिजन करने के लिए नहीं होता लाइफ में. लाइफ वुड हैव बीन.
And when you go on vacations and everything, it's like you have your own clan now because it's our husbands, it's my sister, my
Correct.
Jiju, so we have our own
Correct.
clan. We don't
Correct.
care कोई और आए या नहीं आए.
Yeah, true. I think that was really insightful that your life is not so different than I am. It's just that you have a company always
Yeah.
forever. And thank you so much, Riyan. Thank you so much, Shagun, for coming to
Our
my
pleasure.
channel.
It was amazing
And I
talking
think we
to
have
you.
a lot more to talk. Maybe
Definitely.
soon next time.
100%.
Let's
Yeah,
let's
we
have
want
the
to
next
know
again.
you more next time.
Yeah,
now.
for sure. Let's
Yeah.
do it.
We'll talk about your life. But yeah, it was great coming here. today and
Likewise,
talking
it was
to you.
amazing.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
गाइज आई रियली होप आपने इन्जॉय किया. एक ट्विन लाइफ कैसी होती है इसके बारे में आपको बहुत सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिले. अगर कोई और सवाल है तो प्लीज़ हमें कमेंट में बताना. आई एम श्योर श्रेया और शगुन विल बी हैप्पी टू रिप्लाई देम. ऑल्सो प्लीज़ लिसन टू माई पॉडकास्ट on Apple Podcast, Spotify, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on Instagram. And also follow Twin Tantrums on Instagram. Thank you. Bye.